Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Alembic Pharmaceuticals. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. You can see walk-in for position is Technical Officer, Junior Executive, Executive, Production, Packing, OSD. And production qualification is Bpharm Mpharm Diploma ITI and experience is 2 to 7 years of experience, and job role is manage granulation, compression, coating, petalization and capsule filling area, and packing is job criteria. Mpharm Bpharm Diploma ITI graduates apply to this position, 2 to 8 years of experience, and manage bulk bottle bisler packing, track and trace, sterilization and documentation. And another position is junior executive, executive production, and qualification is Bpharm Mpharm Bsc, Msc, 2 to 7 years of experience, and another position is junior executive, executive production. Qualification is Msc BE Btech Chemical Engineering Bsc, and experience is 2 to 7 years of experience. Must have handling criteria, equipment like reactor, blender, and another position is executive quality assurance, quality control, OSD, injectable API, and qualification is Bpharm Mpharm Msc, and experience is 2 to 7 years of experience, and job role is monitor and supervise production process, ensure compliance with SOP and CGMP, and maintain documentation as per regulatory authorities regular requirement like change control, deviators, and handling QC instrumentation like HPLC, LCMS, GC, UV, spectrometer, distillation, appreciate KF, IPC, OES, IR, and handle QMS activities, maintain lab records, ensure QC compliance, and manage GLP activities, and perform area and equipment line clearance, and perform process validation and cleaning validation, and review BMR, BPR, and manage scope floor QMS document, and ensure shop floor compliance and handling investigation, and perform IPQA activity and manage the change control, deviation, incidents, OOS, CA, PA, etc. quality related document of plant. Candidates have experience work in regulator approved pharma plant need only to apply for above listed positions. These walk-in are conducted at 22nd September 2024 Sunday, and time is 9:30 AM to 3:30 PM, and venue is the Red Maple Jomerghat Rao Indoor. Pre-book your slots to skip the queue by scanning the QR for the registration. For all position candidates having exposure regulator requirements of documentation, CGMP, GLP regulator plans shall be preferred. Those who are unable to attend the walk-in interview, send the updated resume, mentioned email ID. And please note that Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited does not hire consultants and agents who are promised interview jobs for money considers risk. If you have any query, please send the resume, mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.